What's going on, everyone? So today we got a brand new kit from RIDGID. This is the R9500. It comes with the RIDGID Octane drill driver and the all new RIDGID Octane Impact gun. Can't wait to show you these. I'll put a link in the description below once they're made available on the Home Depot. Let's get this review started. I think you guys are really going to like this kit. Oh, I love this freaking drill driver. You've seen this many times on the Tool Review Zone channel. This right here is what I'm really excited to show you, the brand new Octane RIDGID Impact gun. I'm going to show you everything that comes in this kit. We're going to do a real quick overview of the drill driver right here. This thing is basically, we have a full review for this. I'll put a card right up above for you to check it out. But you do get the 3AH battery in this kit, and you also get the 6AH Octane battery. We also have full reviews for those batteries. I'll put the card right here. You also get the battery charger, not the cheap one, the good one. You're also going to get the handle for your drill driver. You're going to get 2 belt clips that come with these. So you can put one on your impact, one on your drill, throw it on your belt. I really do like this drill driver though. Definitely check out that review. I think you'll be impressed with it. 540 up to 2,000 RPM, and for the BPM, you're looking at 8,500 up to 31,000. Now, not only will you get those 2 tools, you're going to get a really nice carrying bag. I was actually really impressed. This must be new in the line, the Octane bag. It's pretty heavy duty, pretty solid. It's pretty stiff. It's not like the cheaper bags that you usually get. I really like it. You got the front pocket, you got the back pocket. You know, you got the handles right here. I think this is one of the first things that people mentioned on the Instagram page when I started posting this, but check it out. Yeah, again, you got the pocket right here. It's nice and stiff. It's not going to collapse on you. So I really like that bag. I'm glad that RIDGID stepped up and made a new one of these. So very nice, very nice. Now, as far as it goes with the impact drill itself, probably one of the fastest I've ever used. And just to give you an overview of that, going right through that concrete like a nada. The one thing I will say, on the last review that we did, had a little bit of an issue with the chuck loosening up. I will tell you, that's still a little bit of an issue. Alright, let's try this with the spade. It's a 1 inch. Like butter on the drill setting. Let's try this again. I'll give you a closer look. Wasn't even pushing down on that. Just let the drill do the work for you. Alright, now go check out that video if you want the full review. But now let's check out what you've all been waiting for, the all-new RIDGID Octane Impact. You've got a bunch of different modes here. You got 3 different speeds, 3 different modes. You got the auto, you got the drill, and then you got one for basically lug nuts for the extra power that you might need. Now, I like the auto myself, but if you just want to go full bore, right there's the setting for you. Put that on 3. And it's ready to go. The model number for this impact gun, R9500. We're going to come out with a couple general purpose screws here, and low you're up to 750 RPM, medium you're up to 2,200 RPM, on high up to 3,000 RPM. Now the coupler 1/4 inch impacts per minute, you're looking at 3,900, and then the torque up to 2,400 pounds. So it's not the strongest out there on the market, but hopefully it'll do the job for us. We're going to do a general purpose. We're just going to start out on the screw mode here and see what it does. That plows that down like nothing. Let's bring it out. Real nice. I'll be honest with you, I think this is a little bit lighter than the Gen 5. So now we're going to go on speed 3. Yep. We're actually in the auto mode right now, so what's nice about this is it pretty much decides how much power you need, and it's not going to drive those all the way down through your application or your material. It's a lot more control bringing those back up. So the auto mode, it basically dials in the power that you need. So I like that. Alright, now we're just going to go full bore. Beastly. Yeah, it goes right down through that 4x4. So nice. Bring it back up. Real nice feel of this right here. Again, it feels a lot like the Gen 5, but not as heavy. It's a little bit lighter, I can definitely tell. So we're going to go full power on this bad boy. We're going to go speed 3. We're going to sink those lags. And that is not a drilled pilot hole. It's just where we put the screw. We're going to see what it does here. Here we go. These are 1/2 inch, by the way. 5-inch long lag screws. So here's the thing, it's definitely bringing it all the way down. Not as powerful as I thought it would be. Coming off that drill driver, you know, it's just, you're pulling them up quick. Yeah, sank them down. It takes a little bit longer. Alright, let's try it again here. Now, again, this is not a pre-drilled hole. Yeah, a little bit slower than I thought. Still going down in a solid motion though. Still bringing her down in. Now me personally, I think it's way harder to drive a lag down without a pilot hole than it is to take off a lug nut. And if it can do that, it's going to take a lug nut off. No problem. Let's bring that back up. And I'll tell you what, those lags are freaking hot. So here you go. Alright, let's talk about the drill driver first. Still a freaking beast. Goes down through that concrete like nothing. It is just hungry for that stuff. Very, very powerful. The only time I seem to be having issues with the chuck is when I'm actually out of the material, not when I'm actually going through the material, but when that brake stops, the brake stops so quickly that it loosens up a little bit and the bit will get loose in there. So keep that in mind, but other than that, and I love the light, but I'll tell you what, it is a powerful, powerful drill driver. As far as it goes with the impact gun, very solid unit. Anytime you can drive a lag down through a treated 4x4 with no pilot hole, you're doing your job. But that being said, surprised. I thought it may have a little bit more power than it did, but all in all, it's still a powerful gun. I really like those modes and how easy it is to switch between them. The lights are bright. The 6AH battery, again, we have a review for those. You know, they're great. They work well, and the battery life on these, they're pretty nice depending on what you're trying to do with them. Definitely comfortable in the hand. Again, it's a little bit lighter than that Gen 5X, the last version. So all in all, I'm happy with it, but definitely not the most powerful impact that I've ever used. With everything you get in the kit though, I think it's a great price considering you get that lifetime service agreement with it. And I actually really like that bag. That was the one thing that stood out to a lot of people on the Instagram page. So if you're in the market for a new one, definitely check these out. Again, they're not going to be the most powerful out there, but they will definitely get the job done. And the LSA, I don't think you can beat it. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, check us out at toolreviewzone.com. Come say hi to us on the Instagram page, and we'll be back with more reviews later.